So dito naman tayo, exercise muna tayo syempre dito sa gear stick, no? So apakan nyo ma'am ng sagad ang inyong clutch. Sagad mama, huwag nyo bibitawan ha. Hawak kayo dito, tingnan nyo muna ang gear stick nyo. Pasok nyo sa first gear, second gear, third. Huwag mong kakabigin ha. Sige, fourth, neutral, fifth, neutral, reverse, neutral, second gear, neutral, third gear, third, yan, neutral, fourth, neutral, fifth, yan, neutral, fourth,